Howdy dog. What's going on today? We're gonna do a little experiment. So I have here some AP1, I believe, S2000 rear view mirrors. Today we're going to install them on my Delsol. So as you can see here, Delsol, they're like a little oval, kind of boring shape. You know, S2000, can't even talk. It's got this like sharp line. I should polish them up a little bit, make them look clean. But I feel like they look a little bit better. So we're going to see. I've seen on the interwebs that some people have installed them. So let's see what we need here. So to take these off, let's see. As you can see here, there's two bolts there, and there should be a single bolt on the back, as you can see right there. So let's pop those off using my Milwaukee. What are you doing with that, dog? All right, now that we got those screws popped off, gotta unhook this and pop this little plastic. I hate these things, man. Probably gonna break it. Give me one second, I'll pop this shit off. Okay, so I ended up breaking mine out. Great success. Pop these shits off. Cool. Now, and what the hell are you doing? Let's see some modification, or just bolts on. It looks kind of similar. Let's see what we got. Slide that in there. Come on. There we go. So, never mind. Yeah, looks like we got a gap. The studs are the exact same way, but looks like we're gonna have to do some modification here. So I have to take this off, the bottom piece, transfer it from that one to this one. Let's try that out. So here's what I did. I took this little piece off from the original Delsol one, which is held by 3 screws, which is this one, and then this one down here. And then the whole little plastic, it's like a plastic cap. So you slide that on out. And it's literally the same spots from the S2000. Exactly the same. I have it closed right now, so I can open it up. You know, and it's really not perfect fitment. It's going to be a little gap down there, but I don't mind it. You won't really see it on, I guess you can, unless you point it out. So it's pretty cool how Honda has like these interchangeable parts, and it's like a Lego. So I'm gonna see if I could make this plastic fit back on there, or I might have to use the Delsol gasket for it. So we'll see. I'll get back to you as soon as I put this shit on. Update. So these did not end up working. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to transfer your gasket from the Delsol one to this one. So what I ended up doing, I ended up taking off the connectors because I did not want to rip this apart, and just sliding it off. So I just I need to get a focus in there. So you see those little clips in there? I just ended up using a pick to lift up the little ears, and these just slid out. So I'm just gonna transfer this over here, install the clip, because actually what's interesting is the S2000 and Delsol have the same wiring clips. I think the Civics may also too. I'm not too sure about that, but it's pretty cool. And there you have it. So we have transferred over the little shell on the bottom from the Delsol to the S2000 mirror, and transferred over the little gasket. So oh yeah, also I reconnected the pins, make sure before you take off, I took a picture of this wiring and made sure you put these in the correct order. So all you gotta really do is take off the 3 screws. I took off the studs because the studs on mine were cleaner than these ones. These are a little kind of dirty and crusty, so I just used the ones that came off the Delsol. And there you have it. Let's get these installed and see how they look. Update. Ran into a little problem here. The little studs for the nut, I can't really see it up in there, but they are not deep enough for the nuts to catch thread. But it sits in good. Other than that, the little studs on here are too short. So what I'm thinking is maybe, which I already took this off the Delsol, maybe this needs to be transferred over. Hopefully it fits. I don't know, let's find out. Now that I got these off on both of them, so you can see how this is the S2000 one, right? This one is shorter, and these ones have like an extended something, whatever you can call that. I have no idea. So I'm thinking I'll just transfer it. And again, this is all literally same bolt pattern, and it's pretty cool. Literally Legos. It's awesome. So I'm just gonna transfer the studs over to the Delsol one, put it back on here, and we'll go for there. I got it on this 1000. It's not bolted on yet, but you will need to depin from the connector, so you can slide this little bracket over. So I already transferred over the studs. I'm gonna need to bolt it back down with the Phillips, which are these guys right here. Bolt them back down, and we'll throw them on the car, see how they look. Cool. There we have it. S2000 mirrors on. I feel like this is gonna be a lot useful too, because the, you know, Delsol ones are kind of small, but look pretty good. You know, there's no weird gap. Can't really tell. They fold in like normal, fold it out. Looks pretty good. Hell yeah, I like it. I still have the stock ones on this side. So as you can see, looks kind of, you know, boring. Just looks like an egg or something. I don't know. And then I feel like it gives a little bit more of a line, a little more style. Check it out. What a trip. Looks pretty good. I like it. Yeah. So yeah, there you have it. S2000 mirrors on a Delsol. It will fit pretty fucking good, actually. Got this wired up here. Kind of got it to work. Clip back on. I gotta check it out. See if these mirrors will go left, right, up, down. But other than that, hell yeah, I like it. Looks pretty good. Hell yeah. Maybe in the next video, I'll talk about my new car. Sort of new. My last one got wrecked. Got this one in here. Transfer all my parts. So yeah, see you on the next video.